Hey there, before we get started, if you've enjoyed one of my classes before, please take a quick second to click the subscribe button. It's completely free and helps my channel out so much more than you know. Thank you and enjoy class.
Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana Elizabeth and welcome to your Express Pilates workout. Today I'm going to try to keep today's class between 10 and 15 minutes, probably towards 15 minutes. But all right, let's go ahead and get started right now. Come to the back of your mat. Inhale, arms reach up. And then exhale, dive it forward, all the way down to a forward fold. And then come right back up the same way, rolling through the spine, chin to chest, arms reach back up. And exhale, round it forward, dive it down. Awesome. Straightening through the back once you get down there, and then rolling it back up. Arms up. And then hold on to that left wrist. Reach on over to the right. Up to center. Hold on to the right wrist. Extend, lift up, and then exhale over towards the left. Awesome. Come back up to center. And arms can float down. Inhale, shoulders roll up by your ears and roll down your back. And then bring them back the other way. Beautiful. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and start with some goddess squats. So toes are pointed out. Give your feet some good space between them. Sink on down. You can kind of cup your hands here and just a slight little lower and lift. Lower and lift. 8, 7. Send the weight into your heels. 6. So much so that you lift your toes off the mat. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it down here. Arms reach up. And then exhale, palms come down, straighten through the legs. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, straighten. And inhale, reach. Exhale, straighten. Last one, inhale, reach. Hold here, arms are going to go to the left. And then up to center to the right. Back up to center. Palms come back to heart center. Tiny little pulses here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, a little bit lower, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten through, arms reach up. And then a wide-legged forward fold. Turn those toes forward. Melt your chest down to the tops of your thighs. Crown of the head is pointing towards the mat. Feel this release here. Maybe sway side to side a little. Nod your head yes, shake it no. Send a little bit more weight into those toes so you can get to your hamstrings some more. And then roll it back up. Awesome. You can step to the back of your mat. Inhale, arms reach up. And exhale, dive it down. Walk it out to a plank. Shift onto your toes. Hips go up and back to down dog. And then to high plank. Stretching those wrists as well. Down dog. High plank. And down dog. High plank. Last one. Down dog. And high plank. Walk the hands back towards your feet. Chin and chest, roll it all the way up. Beautiful job. Alrighty, we're going to come to standing in the middle of our mat, or wherever you are. I'm just coming to the middle. We're going to send that weight to the left leg. Right toe is going to be pointed. Core is super engaged here. Make sure you have a nice little bend in your knee because we are really bearing the weight into that left leg. So we're not dumping into this right foot. Arms are going to come up to the left, and then we're going to use our core to drive that knee up and down. So pumping it up and down. Take your time here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, keep that core tight. Last one. Awesome. Go ahead and bring your hands to heart center. Nice little cup again. Weight goes back in that left leg. We're not done on that leg just yet. We're just gonna do some leg lifts here. Lift and lower. Again, just tapping that right toe. Bend into the left leg. And you wanna make sure that you're using resistance when you come down. So we're not just flinging our leg up and then letting it drop back down. We're really lifting and then controlled lower for 8, 7, the left leg should be feeling it, 6, 5, core is still super engaged here as well to keep you stable, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center, shake out that left leg, maybe hit that left glute. And let's do the other side. So coming to the right, toe is pointed, arms reaching out, deep breath in, bend into that right knee, and exhale, lift and extend. Lift, extend. This is also a great place to do wrist weights. 5, 4, 3, really using your core as well, 2, 1. Awesome, hands come, not to your waist, cup right in front of you, and then we're lifting and lowering. Lift and lower. 8, 7, 6, bend into that right knee, 5, 4, remember don't let that leg fly down, 2, and 1, come to standing, you can shake it out. All right, let's come to the front of our mat. We don't have a ton of time, so I don't want to take too much time recovering. Alrighty, so hands are going to come to your hips. And we're just going to come to the right toe and then step it back into a lunge. Bring it back to center, just tap that toe. We're not stepping it all the way back down. So just lunge, tap, lunge, and tap for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, tiny little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to center. Let's go ahead and switch legs. Left toes come up, and we're going back. Bring it up. Back. Bring it up. If you'd like to have your hands at heart center, you can do that as well. I find a little more stability keeping them on my hips. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it down. Pulses here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Whew. Shake it out. Awesome job. All right, inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, interlace your fingers, bring them behind your head. If I can do that. Alrighty. And so lastly, what we're gonna do here, well, not lastly altogether, but next, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna step the right leg back to a lunge, open to the right, bring it back in, and step. Just 5 of these. So this is 4. 3. 2. And 1. Immediately to the other side. Open, center, and up. Open, center, and up. This is 3. 2. Remember, slow and controlled is the name of the game. 1. And bring it back to center. Oh, alrighty, shake it out. Come to the back of your mat. Inhale, arms reach up. And exhale, dive it down. Walk it out to a plank. From here, we're gonna do some slow mountain climbers. So left knee to right elbow and center. Opposite, center for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold this plank. Core is engaged, bum is low, palms are pressing into the mat for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees come down. Child's pose. This child's pose we're going to take with our arms by our sides, palms facing up, forehead comes to the mat. Breathing here. Awesome. Slowly roll it on up. Hands can come to your knees. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. And round. Really scoop into your belly. Lean back just a little bit. Chin to chest. And then come back up. Let's go to our tabletop. Alrighty, spreading your fingers nice and wide. Knees under your hips. This is definitely a full body class today. Curl those toes underneath you. Inhale here. And exhale, float the knees. And then we're going to extend the left leg back and bring it back in. Same leg, back and in. For 6, 5, 4, 3, squeezing your bum, 2, and 1. Bring the knees down, untuck your toes, little child's pose here for a sec. Quite literally just 1 second. Big breath in, exhale, rock it forward, curl those toes, knees up, extend the right leg, and in, extend, and in. For 6, still pressing into the palms, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Come down to your knees, little child's pose. rock forward, come to your right hand. Let me check our time. Okay, almost there. Right hand down, or right forearm down, left palm down. Gonna extend that left leg out behind us. And we're gonna bring actually our left toes out. Sorry about that. It's like a, I guess, 45-degree angle. And we're going to lift up and bring it all the way back behind us. Then up and tap. For 5. Core is engaged here. Gaze at your wrist. 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Bend the knee, flex your foot. Donkey kicks here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Switch arms. We're almost there. Left forearm down, right palm down. Extend the right leg to the right. Lift it up with control. Lower. Up. Squeeze the glute and over. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Flex the foot, bend the knee. Donkey kick pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7. Don't let your stomach slouch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Deep breath in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. Come to child's pose. Deep breath in. And exhale. Awesome. Shift your hips over to one side. I'm almost done. Just to get into our hips just a little bit. So bring that right ankle on top in line with the left knee. Right ankle underneath the right knee. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, fold it over. 3 breaths here. For 3, 2, and 1. Slowly roll it up. Switch legs. Right ankle underneath the left knee. Left ankle on top of the right knee. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, fold it over. Forearms come to the floor. Crown of the head is dropped. 3 breaths here. 2. And 1. Awesome. Slowly roll it up. Give your knees a squeeze. And you are all done for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below, and I'll see you for the next class. Also, feel free to support me in other ways. The donation screen is on the next slide. No pressure, but everything helps me greatly. God bless. Bye.